Planner season is officially upon us, and you may be looking at the Erin Condren Life Planner. And so today I wanted to do a breakdown to share the pros and the cons of the Erin Condren Life Planner and see if it actually is worth that hefty price tag. Hey guys, I'm Marissa and welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel we talk about life and money and how you can enjoy life while accomplishing financial goals. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, then definitely scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. And something that I love that has to do with life and money is my planner, and specifically I have loved using the Erin Condren Life Planner. I have gotten this planner every year since 2018 I think, and this is the new 2021 Erin Condren Life Planner. So to start off, I will have a link to them down below so you can check out the planners, but since I have used this planner for so many years, there are many things that I love about this planner and then some things that maybe aren't the best. So I wanted to sit down and share my opinion of this planner and see if it actually is worth it. And if you want to check out the 2021 Erin Condren Life Planner unboxing, I did a video on that, so I'll leave a link to that up above here and also in the description box so you can check it out and watch that video if you want to see the 2021 planner in depth. So the Erin Condren planner starts at $55, which I know can feel pretty pricey for like a notebook, but there are some really awesome things that I do love about it. First off is how customizable the planner is. So like I said, it starts at $55, but there are also upgraded options that you can choose, like doing a different kind of binding and also a different kind of cover that you may choose. And there are also a bunch of options that you can customize with Erin Condren that don't cost anything else. In addition to choosing your binding and cover, you can also choose if you want to have your planner horizontal, vertical, or hourly, so you can totally choose the layout and also choose the color for it. So you can choose like a neutral version or a color version. So I prefer the neutral, and it looks like this with like gray tabs, and I think that it just goes along more with like the aesthetic that I like. But I just love that you can truly customize this planner to the exact way that you want. There's also another great way that you can save money on the planner if this is like your first time getting one, is that they will do the full calendar year for a standard $55. But if you decide to buy the 2021 planner halfway through 2020, then you can pay an additional $5 to get the remaining months for the rest of the year. So if this is going to be your first time getting it, maybe like next year or like whenever that may be, you can get like a year and a half worth in your planner for just an additional $5, which is a great benefit. The other thing that I love about the planner is the high quality paper that it uses. Like, this is super thick paper and it just is very durable and really high quality. The next thing that I love about the planner is the way that it's laid out. So there is an entire monthly view so you can see the month at a glance, and then it gives you lined paper that you can write like whatever you want, little journaling or whatever, and then another sheet where you can record your goals and other sorts of doodles if you want, or lists or anything else for the month as well. And then it moves into your weekly view where you can record like specific things that you need to do for each day. So I really love how many options there are for different things that you may want to record during the month, like your to-dos, your goals. I know a lot of people will even use it for their budgets, and so I think that it's just very versatile for many different uses. The other thing I love is that at the back of the planner there's a whole notes section with just plain lined paper, so you can record more in-depth notes, and I just love that this is like an additional bonus to a standard planner. It even gives you a contact section where you can write people's names and numbers, emails, and things like that. To be quite honest, since you know we are living in such a digital age, I don't use this section. I instead just put contacts into my phone automatically, but if you are a paper person for those sorts of things, then that's another great benefit to this planner. And then it even gives you a look at the next calendar year, so you can kind of jot down things that you may expect for the months for the next year. So really you're planning like your entire year more in depth, and then you're even able to look forward a year and kind of plan out some additional things too, which is fun. So I am a huge fan of using stickers in my planner. I am not a super artsy person, but I think that having stickers enables me to like have a little bit of fun in my planner, and so I love the Erin Condren sticker sets and I use those in the planner, but they also have stickers that are already included and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are like metallic-y, they have lots of sticker options. It's not just one page, it's like 3 pages of different stickers. Actually, there's 4 pages. And the final thing that I love about this planner, and this kind of goes along with the customizable part, but that is the interchangeable covers. So these covers snap on and off, and there are additional accessories that you can get for this planner for snap-ins, which I love having those as like a dashboard or like a meal planner option that you can snap into your planner. But the interchangeable covers is wonderful because you can change them out depending on like the season or anything else. So I have like a Christmassy one that I can just snap in, and they also you can have it with your name on it. So I have my name printed on mine, or you can get whatever else you want printed on it, and then you can change them out for different seasons. So I love being able to change it out if I'm just like no longer feeling that vibe. I can pick a different option, or again, like for the Christmas season or summer, having different covers for it. It just makes it like extra fun. Okay, so now to talk about the things that I don't love so much about the planner. So here are the downsides to Erin Condren. The first, I think, being the price, and I've kind of alluded to this, but $55 for a planner seems like a lot, because that is a lot. And again, you could pick like an upgraded binding and an upgraded cover, and so then you're running at, could be like $70 for a planner, which seems outrageous. But I also look at this as, if you're truly going to be using this like every day, then for an entire year's worth of planning, if it's something you truly love, then spend the money on something that you truly love. And if you're using something for an entire year, then $55 over an entire 12 months doesn't really seem like very much. But I totally understand how that initial price can seem like it's a lot. But I will tell you, I totally agree with that phrase, buy nice or buy twice. And I would rather spend more money on something that I truly love than spend like half as much on something that I'm like, meh. So I think that even though it is $55 when you're using it for an entire year, or it could be like a year and a half if you pay like an extra $5 to get the rest of the months for the previous year, then I feel like that honestly is a pretty decent deal. And then the other thing that is kind of more difficult with Erin Condren is their shipping. It takes kind of a bit of time once you order to finally receive the product, and that is because it's all customizable. So when you go online to select all of your options for your planner, you are building out your planner and it's then custom made for you. So it's going to take a little bit of time for printing and shipping, and in my experience it has taken upwards of almost like 3 weeks to finally receive the item that I ordered. So just to be aware of, if you do plan to buy it, it can take a bit of time to receive it. So that being said, it's almost planner season and we're also getting into Christmas, so I think that these planners make awesome Christmas gifts, but I would definitely suggest buying soon so that you have the product delivered before Christmas. So overall, I would say that the Erin Condren planner is worth it for me because I think that it's such great quality. I love the interchangeable features, and it's also packed full of different customizable options. And again, when you look at the cost for an entire 12 months, it really isn't that much if it's something that you truly do love. So I would suggest the Erin Condren planner. I tell all my friends in real life about it because I love this planner so much. So if you want to get your own planner, I have a link in the description box down below so you can check it out and start off your planning season. And you guys, let's hope that we have some good plans coming for 2021. I'm hopeful. I'm not so sure that they're all gonna happen, but I'm hopeful that maybe towards the end of 2021, we'll have some good things coming. So thank you guys so much for hanging out today for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.